And here is some basic information about the circuit. You can see, and this one is F3. Okay, F3 1.1 ampere and 6 volt, and F3 point is this bars, and you can see this one is F3. Here have to be present and 6 volt or 5 volt. Okay, here is also another information in this circuit. You can see I have a Acer Core i5 laptop. This laptop problem is power is not on, power button is not working. Press the power button, and this laptop configuration is Core i5 processor, Intel Core i5 processor and NVIDIA graphics. Okay, let's plug in the charger cable. And you can see here is a power LED is blinking. This is not working. Okay, power LED is blinking here, but power is not turning on. And I need to do some basic thing in this laptop. Okay, hold the power button 10 seconds and release that. After that, plug in the charger. This is also blinking. Power button is not working. In this cover, here is a RAM, and I will clean this RAM. Okay, let's check what happened after cleaning this. Just open the RAM. Let's try it. Here is also same problem. This is not working and power LED is blinking here. Okay, now open the hard disk. I am doing some basic thing you can do in your home. Okay, here is the same, power is not turning on. This laptop is circuit problem too. I will repair this motherboard. Okay, let's start. Now this is the laptop motherboard, and this is very dirty. Okay, you look at this on the motherboard. Here is so many dust and so many fungus. First of all, I need to clean this circuit, and after that I will diagnose this motherboard. Where is the problem? Okay, Now our motherboard is on my hand, and this cooling fan also dirty. So many dust in this cooling fan. Thermal paste is dry. And I think here is no short circuit and other things, and if I clean this circuit very properly, maybe this circuit will be done, because of here is so many fungus and carbon on the motherboard. And this is the power jack. This is okay, and this is the CPU and RAM slot. And here is a no liquid damage and physical damage. I cannot find this, and I cannot see this any liquid burning issue or other things. Plug in the charger. Limiter is okay, and let's check the charger connection, and charger voltage is okay or not. And right to cable is positive connection and 18.60 voltage, this is okay, and this one also same, and 18.60 voltage, it's okay. And left to connection is the ground connection. Here is a no voltage, will not, there is a ground connection, and here is a negative voltage, no voltage. And middle one, here is a no voltage showing, and nothing happened in the circuit. And here is some basic information about the circuit, you can see. And this one is F3, okay, F3 1.1 ampere and 6 volt, and F3 point is this parts, and you can see this one is F3. Here have to be present and 6 volt or 5 volt, okay. Here is also another information in this circuit, you can see. Sorry, and F2 1.1 ampere 6 volt or 3.3 volt, like that. And F1 have to be present and 1.1 ampere 24 volt, okay. This one is the F2 and this one is F1, okay. First of all, I will check this voltage, 3 voltage, and that voltage is present in this circuit or not. And now I am checking and F3 voltage, and this is the F3. You can see here is a present 5 volt, this is okay. Yeah, I am again touching this lady here, and here is a 5 volt is present, and that one is okay, no problem, that is okay. And this one is F2, okay. Here should be 3.3 volt present, and here is also 3.37 voltage is available. present, and this one is F1 and should be present 18 volt, and main voltage positive voltage, or this was also okay. That means all these voltage I am getting okay, and I think if I clean this circuit very properly, maybe our circuit will be run and okay. And let's clean this. And here is so many fungus on this motherboard. And I'm drying the circuit, and here is some any damage or anything, it will be recovered also. Now I have cleaned this perfectly, and here is a no dust. Okay, now I have cleaned this perfectly, this one also. Just yeah, our power LED is strongly glowed, and cooling fan also is paining, you can see. Maybe this circuit is okay, and this light also is standby glowed. Let's check some voltage and how is this. And F3 1.1 ampere, 5 volt should be present, and you can see here is a 4.97 voltage is okay, and this side also same voltage, and this one 3.37 voltage okay, and this one 19 voltage okay. That means our circuit is okay. Now let's check the display. This display, now check the display, and before we attaching the display we need to install the RAM. And let's plug in the charger and see what happened. Laptop is turned on, and you can see display comes okay. Viewers, our laptop is okay, and hopefully you enjoy this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. I will completely fitting this laptop, and hope you can see hard disk is open. Sorry, operating system not found because of this hard disk is not installed. Okay, let's install this hard disk. Let's check what happened. Operating system. Let's install this hard disk. Plug in the charger. Now our operating system also running. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.